John Muir said, "Going to the mountains is like going home." Today we celebrate the mother that we all share, Mother Nature. She gifts us every day with abundance, from majestic trees and oceans, animals, breathtaking sunrises, an endless sky full of stars, to countless varieties of fragrant flowers. She holds the place where our own stories were born and remains the place where our stories will die. She holds us, supports, and centers us. She is within us. We are within her. We are all made up of and connected by the same divine magic. Find a comfortable seat, feet flat on the ground, or perhaps lay down in the grass, directly on the earth. Gently close your eyes. Maybe place your hands on your heart if it's comfortable. Take a few deep breaths. Take a moment to consider where in your life you would like some mothering guidance. Maybe something small, maybe something that feels overwhelming. What obstacles are holding you back? Can you mother yourself in this area? Perhaps you give it back to Mother Earth to take care of it for you. Breathe naturally and begin to silently repeat the affirmations. I am fully supported by Mother Nature. She is always within me. Allow yourself to let go. Put down anything that may be troubling you. She will guide you through. I am fully supported by Mother Nature. She is always within me. Continue to silently repeat the affirmations, allowing a deepening sense of your trust in Mother Nature and in yourself. I am fully supported by Mother Nature. She is always within me. Allow the affirmations to move you into silence. I'll return for you. Slowly bring awareness back to your body. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. The connection to Mother Earth is always there. We carry her traits within us: beauty, grace, strength, resilience, life. Trust in her. She always has your back. Going to the mountains is like going home. Home to Mother Nature. Home is within you.